Lodha's 1.3 lakh rupees crore data center explosion, the biggest tech bet in India. Lodha Developers has made a historic move by signing a fresh memorandum of understanding with the Maharashtra government for an additional 1 lakh rupee crore investment, bringing the group's total commitment to a staggering 1.3 lakh rupees crore for a 2.5 gigawatt data center park. This scale is massive, marking a significant step beyond the initial 30,000 crore rupee agreement signed just 4 months ago, and reinforces Lodha's commitment to transforming the digital landscape of the state. The park is already seeing massive validation from global tech giants, with Amazon and Singapore-based STT Global Data Centers acquiring land parcels and Amazon securing long-term power requirements for the next 15 years. This level of interest from hyperscalers indicates that Lodha's infrastructure is meeting the high specification demands of the world's largest data consumers, providing a reliable long-term revenue roadmap for the developer. The project is slated to create over 16,000 direct and indirect jobs, aligning with Maharashtra's Green Integrated Data Center Park policy and giving the group a dominant position in the state's digital ecosystem. Management's decision to act as a developer for international players seeking high-capacity facilities is seen as a strategic win that diversifies their revenue streams and provides long-term, stable cash flows that are less volatile than cyclical housing sales. Abhishek Lodha's signature on this move at Davos underscores a massive pivot that repositions the company as more than just a residential builder, moving it into the high-growth territory of digital infrastructure. By committing to such a large-scale investment, Lodha is moving beyond the role of a traditional builder to become a critical infrastructure enabler for India's digital economy, potentially unlocking a new era of growth for its shareholders. For investors, the key factor to watch is the execution of the 2.5 gigawatt capacity and the pace at which these global hyperscalers move in to utilize the infrastructure. With the Maharashtra government providing strong policy support through renewable energy mandates and tax waivers, Lodha is uniquely positioned to capture the burgeoning AI-driven demand for data storage and processing power in India. This development marks one of the largest private sector investments in Maharashtra's history and highlights a shift in corporate strategy that moves the group toward a high-margin, tech-linked infrastructure model. As the project matures, the annuity income from these data centers could eventually rival the profits from their residential segment, providing the long-term stability that institutional investors typically look for in large-scale infrastructure projects. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.